Good evening, friends. Today we'll see the quiz part of Nishtha Course 11, that is Initiative in School Education. So this is the first question. Out of the total 5970 sanction Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya, that is KGBPS, up to 2018-19, how many are functional? Here the correct answer is 4841. So next question. Which of the following is not an intervention in revamped Samagra Shiksha? Here the correct answer is training of counselors. Next question. The question is Samagra Shiksha is an integrated scheme of which three erstwhile central sponsor scheme of government? Here the correct answer is Sarva Shiksha Abhijan, that is SSA, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhijan RMSA, and teacher education. Next question. Samagra Shiksha aims to cover all children with special needs CWSM in a continuum from classes dash, that is class 1 to 12. Next question. Under revamped Samagra Shiksha, the transport facility is for? The correct answer is all students till secondary level. Next question. How many awards are rationalized under the National Awards to Teachers scheme? The correct answer is 45 awards. Next question. Samagra Shiksha supports which of the following classes? The correct answer is preschool to class 12. Next question. Which constitutional amendment included education in the concurrent list? The correct answer is 42nd. Next question. Online portal initiated by government to collect data in real time, that is, the correct answer is UDICE Plus. Next question. Under Right to Education Act 2009, all private schools are required to reserve dash percentage of their seats for children coming from economically weak backgrounds. Correct answer is 25%. Next question. Portal launched by MOE to link over 15 lakh schools across the country to provide all the information on school education, that is Shagun portal. Next question. Parak is body associated with? The correct answer is assessment of performance and holistic development. Next question. Manodarpan app is meant for? The correct answer is psychological support for children. Next question. Which one of the following is a milestone in the history of inclusive education in India? The correct answer is Sarva Shiksha Abhijan 2000. Next question. The Samagra Shiksha scheme was revamped dash. The correct answer is on the basis of recommendation of NEP 2020. Next question. Under the revamped Samagra Shiksha, all the Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya KGBBS are upgraded from, that is 6 to 12. Next question. Support for vocational education in Samagra Shiksha is for? Correct answer is government and government aided schools. Next question. The library resources have been utilized for facilitating the process of reading with comprehension under the scheme Padhe Bharat Badhe Bharat. Next question. Why is the National Achievement Survey NAS conducted? The correct answer is to assess the learning outcomes. Next question. What is the full form of UDICE? The correct answer is Unified District Information on School Education. Next question. Here you can see the score is 20 out of 20. So we'll try another time to get some new questions. So let's try. Parak is body associated with? The correct answer is assessment of performance and holistic development. Next question. Which is one of the major objective of the scheme is a focus on providing institutional support for teacher education. The correct answer is strengthening and upgradation of SCRT State Institutes of Education and DIT as nodal agency for teacher training. Next question. Which of the following initiatives help children experience nature and inculcate interest in gardening? The correct answer is School Nutrition Garden. Next question. Self-defense training under Samagra Shiksha is imparted for girl student of class. Answer is 6 to 12. Next question. Samagra Shiksha aims to cover all children with special needs CWSN in a continuum from classes dash, that is 1 to 12. Next question. Monodarpan app is meant for psychological support for children. Next question. Why is the National Achievement Survey NAS conducted? The correct answer is to assess the learning outcomes. Next question. Self-defense training in school under Samagra Shiksha is aimed at. The correct answer is ensuring the safety and security of girls. Next question. Which of the following practices in Odisha is considered as the best practice? Mo School Abhijan. The correct answer is Mo School Abhijan. Next question. The PGI is for purpose of grading status and UTs on their performance indicators on school education. This grading is done on how many indicators? The correct answer is 70. Next question. According to NEP 2020, the 10+2 structure replaced by. The correct answer is 5+3+3+4. Next question. Which of the following is not an approach of the midday meal scheme MDMS? The correct answer is Atithi Bhojan. Next question. Which one of the following does not hold true for National Achievement Survey? The correct answer is it is not done in regular intervals. Next question. The library resources have been utilized for facilitating the process of reading with comprehension under the scheme. The correct answer is Padhe Bharat Badhe Bharat. Next question. What is the vision of the Samagra Shiksha scheme? The correct answer is to ensure inclusive and equitable equality. The correct answer is to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education from preschool to senior secondary stage in accordance with the Sustainable Development Goals for education. Next question. Samagra Shiksha is an integrated scheme of which three erstwhile centrally sponsored scheme of the government? The correct answer is Sarva Shiksha Abhijan SSA, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhijan RMSA and teacher education. Next question. What is designed under Samagra Shiksha to change the narrative on school education by showcasing the multitude of innovative and successful models being implemented by all states and UTs in diverse circumstances? Here the correct answer is digital repository. Next question. Under the Right to Education Act 2009, all private schools are required to reserve dash percentage of their seats for children coming from economically weak backgrounds. That is 25%. Next question. Samagra Shiksha supports which of the following classes? Answer is preschool to class 12. Next question. Online portal initiated by government to collect data in real time. That is UDICE Plus. Next question. Now we have submitted and our score is again 20 out of 20. So in this video we have discussed total 40 questions. So I think it will be helpful for you. So if you like this video then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.